Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier allows caller ID blocking. Most do. Once confirmed, choose per call blocking to stay flexible. Now, dial the blocking prefix before the number. In the US and Canada, that prefix is *67. For example, press *67, then the full 10-digit number. This tells the network to suppress your number on that single call. If you use a landline versus mobile, make sure you include area code and any access digits required by your provider. Once the per-call method works, consider account-level options for convenience. On many smartphones, you can enable anonymous calling in call settings. Toggling this sets every outgoing call to hide your ID. Alternatively, log into your carrier account and request permanent blocking on your line. This applies until you remove it. If you need more control, use a trusted calling app or VoIP service that offers caller ID masking. Make sure to grant required permissions and verify the displayed ID before you place calls. Finish by testing. Call a friend or second phone to confirm your number is hidden. If the recipient still sees your ID, make sure you use the correct prefix or setting, then contact carrier support because some networks override per-call blocking. Also note why this matters. Emergency services, toll-free numbers, and certain verified business systems can still receive your number even when blocked. If problems persist, ask the carrier to check line-level privacy settings or to toggle anonymous calling on the account side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.